So let's do that one again, but we're going to do it slow this time, or slower. So S1 forwards it off to S2 to S1. And notice the broadcasts that are going on, because now we deleted the startup configuration, we deleted the VLAN file, so it doesn't know anything. It doesn't have any idea where anything is, so it's broadcasting to everywhere looking for PC4. So now it's saying, I'm over here. So S1 just added PC4 to its MAC address table. S1 just added PC4 to its MAC address table. And S2 just now added PC4 to its MAC address table. So now these guys can talk to each other. They know what they're at. So now this next one that he shoots out here. Come on, baby. Are you going to do one more for us? Nope. So now this next one, it's going to be a directed unicast, because it should have. Just replaying this whole thing all over again. Delete. Do it again from the top. Now S1 knows where PC4 is. See, it forwarded that data off to S1 without doing the broadcasts. And S3 is getting its packet without these computers up here being bothered, because the MAC address table is full. And now PC4 gets it as well. And it'll just do the same thing backwards, so who cares? So if a PC in VLAN 10 sends a broadcast message, which devices receive it? Well, it should be that only those in VLAN 10 would get it. Because these switches had their VLAN information deleted, now it doesn't know, these switches don't know where VLAN 10 is. In fact, just these labels are all that it tells us where VLAN 10 used to be. So if a broadcast is sent out on VLAN 10 and the switches are configured for VLANs, then it would only send it to VLAN 10 devices, like we saw when we first began this packet tracer. Same for VLAN 20, same for VLAN 30. What happens to a frame sent from a PC in VLAN 10 to a PC in VLAN 30? Now, if everything was configured properly, which it now no longer is, but if there was, if PC1 being in VLAN 10 sent out trying to get to VLAN 30, sent a packet out there, a ping or whatever, it's not going to make it, because like we saw when we first started this, it went to S2, S1, and S3, and then it went off to S4 because VLAN 10 is only on this interface. The VLAN 30 that we were trying to get to, we had no idea. It's like, well, that's a different network. I can't send VLAN 10 traffic to a different network. So it would fail. In terms of ports, what are the collision domains on the switch? Now, collision domains are broken up by switches. So every port is its own collision domain. So this is one collision domain for this switch, as is this one, and lastly this one. Those are all collision domains, and they are separated by that switch. In terms of ports, what are the broadcast domains on the switch? Well, because the initial configuration of this network was for VLANs. Now, we deleted that, but if a broadcast was on a VLAN 10, it would shoot it down here, and it's saying, oh, this is a VLAN 10 broadcast. I'm going to shoot it up to all VLAN 10s that I know about and trunk ports that I know about. So it's going to send it off here. S1 would say, oh, broadcast, huh? This is for VLAN 10, right? Okay. He gets it, and I'm going to send it off to S3 to see if there's any VLANs that way. S3 gets it, and it says, oh, VLAN 10 traffic. Okay. Send it off to all my VLAN 10 ports, and that would be over here. So in terms of ports, what are the broadcast domains on a switch? Well, if it's unconfigured, it's all ports. If it's VLAN configured, then it's just the ones for the VLANs. And that's how I answer that question. I hope that helped. But if you have any additional comments or questions, please don't hesitate to put those below. Please subscribe as well. We're always coming out with brand new videos. Always. And I want you to know this. Please do your studying. Figure these things out. If you have questions, ask. We're here for you. There's a lot of other places that you can learn this material. But please learn it. Learn it for yourself. Take some pride in your heart. Learn this material so that you can better your life. Get a cool job and travel the world teaching other people more cool stuff. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Peace.